Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft Azure for AI pipeline orchestration, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Microsoft Azure account. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure portal. In the portal, search for Azure Active Directory in the top search bar. Click on Azure Active Directory from the search results. In the Azure Active Directory menu, select App Registrations. Click on plus New Registration to create a new application. Fill in the desired name for your application. Choose the supported account types based on your need. In the Redirect URI section, select Web and enter your redirect URL. After entering the required details, click on Register to create the application. Once registered, note down the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID. Next, navigate to Certificates and Secrets in the application menu. Click on plus New Client Secret to generate a new secret. Provide a description for the client's secret and set its expiry. Click Add to create the client's secret. Once created, copy the value of the secret immediately, as it won't be visible again. Now, go back to the Azure portal and navigate to Subscriptions. Select the subscription you want to authorize for AI pipeline orchestration. In the subscription menu, click on Access Control, IAM. Next, click on plus Add Role Assignment. Choose the appropriate role, such as contributor or owner. In the Assign Access to section, select Azure AD User, Group, or Service Principal. Search for your registered application by name. Select the application and click Save to assign the role. With the role assigned, navigate to the Resource Groups section in the Azure portal. Choose the resource group where your AI pipeline resources will exist. Click on plus Create and select the type of resource to deploy. Follow the prompts to configure your AI resource settings. Once your resources are set up, navigate to Logic Apps. Click on plus Add to create a new Logic app. Set up a trigger for your Logic app that initiates the AI pipeline. Add actions to connect your AI resources as needed. Review your Logic app configuration and click Create. Test the Logic app to ensure it correctly triggers your AI orchestration workflow. Monitor the execution through the Azure portal to check for any issues. With successful execution, your Microsoft Azure environment is now authorized for AI pipeline orchestration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.